Complete shutdown ngayon ang Bangladesh. So please don't skip this video. I'm asking for help and awareness sa Bangladesh Embassy dito sa Manila or sa Philippine Embassy doon sa Bangladesh. Guys, what's happening there right now? Kasi complete shutdown, walang internet, wala rin gaanong mobile or yung communication through phone. And actually, my father is working there. Friday pa sila nasa office, nasa loob sila ng company nila, hindi sila makalabas. And last contact niya sa amin is that walang nagrarasyon ng food. There's no food. And just to give you context kung ano yung nangyayari sa Bangladesh right now is that nagkakaroon ng rally yung mga students about the job quota for hiring, 'di ba? For example, mas binibigyan ng pabor or mas malaki yung percentage na ma-hire yung mga relatives nung freedom fighters nung 1971 nung nagkaroon ng war against Pakistan. So this law actually parang nailabanan nila to noong 2018 pa. Pero ngayon ata this year hindi siya pinatupad ng higher court. That's why nagrarally ngayon yung mga students. So please, Philippine Embassy sa Bangladesh, I know na nahihirapan kayo mag-post or what or magbigay ng comments about this kasi nga naka-complete shutdown kayo dyan. I don't know what's happening. So guys, if you know someone or if you know something about Bangladesh right now, it would really help our family to know what's the real issue right now in Bangladesh. Thank you.